Man, more and more, it seems like there's a new trend of Jamaicans moving back home. The cost of living is way less. I think the average age for heart attacks in America is like 50 or something like that. I'm just, all my Jamaicans that's thinking about it, come on home.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? Let's talk about it. As you can see, I'm actually in Jamaica, right? It's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. Let's back the drone up just so you can see where I'm at. This is, come on. This is paradise to me, right? This is paradise to me. This is paradise to me. Say it again, Lando. This is paradise to me, guys. This is paradise to me. Beautiful Jamaica, man. More and more, it seems like there's a new trend of Jamaicans moving back home, and a lot of people are wondering why. But I don't think it's hard to figure out why they are moving back to Jamaica. Look at this. For me, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. No matter where you travel in the world, the community, the vibe, the culture, there's nowhere like Jamaica. And this is one of the reasons that most people abroad always come back. It's the culture, the vibe, the community. So people are moving back because, let's be honest, I live in the U.S. and things are getting expensive, people. Things are getting expensive, and then for most of us, our family live here. Most of our family live here. So the question would be, why not? The culture of Jamaica is, oh man. The culture of Jamaica is crazy. It's beautiful. For me, it's peace. Our family member might be getting older. Most people move away from Jamaica to make a living, to get a better living. And they did that. So now they're coming back. Subconsciously, the goal have always been to come back home. Not for me necessarily. I left here as a kid. But the more I come back here, the more I feel at peace. The life to live, the cost of living is way less in Jamaica. Way less. A lot of us have family land, stuff like that. Like for me, this is family land. As far as you can see, probably, that's all family land. It's a beautiful thing for me. For me, it's less stress. Less stress. That's a big one. I think the average age for heart attacks in America is like 50 or something like that. I'm throwing out a number. I don't quite know, but I know it's somewhere around there. You come here, you come to Jamaica, some of these people don't even have no money. I'm just talking about my area. They don't have money, but they're happier than you and I. We might be making this money, but is that what you really want? You're risking your health. You have anxiety. Can't even sleep at night. This is a promotion for Jamaica, guys. This is a promotion for Jamaica. But I love it here, man. I love it here. My body's at peace when I'm here. Jamaica. Jamaica is a beautiful place, man. This is I welcome back all my Jamaicans that's thinking about it. Come on home. A lot of people are scared of the violence. Come on home. From what I know, from what I see, the violence is more so mixed up with people that's mixed up in things. Yes, things can happen, but that's anywhere. To be honest, overseas is probably more dangerous than anywhere else. But the reason we don't hear about it as much because we don't know everybody. Here is like everybody know everybody. In my community right now, everybody know everybody. So you hear about it more, and Jamaica is a lot smaller. People, I don't know about you, but I know about me. More than likely, my retirement will be in Jamaica. I'm definitely going to invest in more in Jamaica. I actually just came down, probably the video before this. I don't know where I'm going to drop the video, but I actually just got my TRN. I left here at age 9. So it's a lot of things that some that grew up here and left have, I didn't have. So I just did that. With the TRN, you can't do certain things if you don't have it, like purchase a house, probably purchase car, just to do business, period. So Jamaica the place to be for me, you know. Yeah. At the end of the day, success look different for everybody, right? Some people find success overseas. Some people find success abroad, and some people do both of them. What is success to you? What is happiness to you? This is happiness to me. I've been in America umpteen years, but yet my body still yearns for this. Country life, you know. I'm on a country we come from. This is peace to me. Just saying. Now, if you had the opportunity to move back to Jamaica, would you do it? Would you move back permanently? Would you move back part-time? Where would you stay? Question, where would you stay? Corey got in my way. Either way, drop your comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you want to do, what you would do. Me, I'm looking for permanent. I'm looking for retirement. Here. Always people remember, it's your boy, Mr. Primetime Lando. And I am the man, though. I'm out. Whoa.